Did you know your feathered friends could be making you sick? That's right, those cute little birds inside your home might be causing more than just a mess. Let's talk about the hidden dangers of indoor birds. Their droppings and feather dust can carry harmful bacteria and fungi that, when inhaled, could lead to serious respiratory issues. Ever heard of bird fancier's lung? It's a real condition caused by prolonged exposure to bird proteins. But don't panic, I'm not saying to get rid of your pets, just be smart about it. Regular cleaning, good ventilation, and proper hygiene can make a world of difference. Keep your birds, keep your health, and breathe easy.